free WordPress hosting with SSL. Yes, and it is totally free for a lifetime. So I'm going to log in into my website for you to see that I'm having the SSL. So I'm going to type in the URL, then I hit enter, and then I'm going to log in through my WordPress dashboard by simply putting in my username and then my password. Then I click on the login. Okay, so as you can see, I'm in my WordPress dashboard, and to log into my website, all that I have to do is just go to my blog and then click on visit site. So as you can see, this is the website and it is newly created. Okay, but the most important thing is the SSL. Okay, so when you look here, you can see the symbol of the SSL here. So when you click on it, you see that I have the domain name here, and then the connection is secure. Okay, so let me click on the right arrow, and you can see that the domain name is here, and then when you come down here, it says connection is secure. Okay, and it simply means that if anybody comes here, everything is private. Okay, and as you can see, the certificate is valid, right? So as you can see, the SSL is secured and it is valid, and it is free hosting, okay, with SSL. So let me go back to my dashboard, and then let me go to where you can get this free WordPress hosting with the SSL. So this is the platform. I'm having a link of it in the video description. Just click on it and then it will bring you right here. Okay, so let's look at their plan. So the plan is that they have the PAM plan, which is free. You pay only $0 and it is totally free. You don't even need any credit card to do the registration. Okay, and there are no hidden fees. Okay, it is totally free. Okay, so all that you have to do is just come here and click on order now. Okay, so when you click on order now, so these are the things that you get from the free plan. You get 10 gigabytes SSD storage. Not only that, you get unlimited bandwidth with free SSL certificates. Okay, so this is the most important thing. That is why you are watching the video. You are going to get the free SSL certificate, yes, and then you also get the latest control panel or the cPanel to install your WordPress. You're also given one email address with a database, and then one domain or subdomain, and then you get 24/7 technical support as well. So all that you have to do, just click on the order now. Okay, so when you click on the order now, all that you have to do is just go to my services by locating it here, and then you will see that your domain is here. That is if you have a domain already, and then you see that the SSL is here. But if you don't have a domain already, I'm having a video on my channel. You can watch it and then get a free subdomain. Okay, and this is free and it is active. You don't pay any amount. Okay, so all that you have to do is just locate where we have the client area over here. Just click on it. So when you click on it, it will bring you right here to where you can see your active products and services. Okay, so you see the active products or services, and under it you are going to see your domain here, and then it is active. Okay, so when you come here, you can log in through my services. Okay. So when you go to my services, under my services, you are going to see that we have login to cPanel or control panel. Just click on it, and then within the control panel you have the SSL certificates here as well. So the SSL or the TLS, you can click on it and then do whatever thing you want with your SSL certificate. Besides that, you can also check the status of your SSL here by simply clicking on SSL/TLS status. Okay, you can also log into your WordPress or install the WordPress for the first time by locating the Subtacoclos app installer. This one, then you click on it, and then over here you are going to see your WordPress here, and then you can install it. So for me, I have already installed the WordPress. So as you can see, I have one installation here. So what that I have to do is just click on the installation, and then you will see that I have my domain here. It is a subdomain, and then it is free. Okay, so to log into it, all that I have to do is just click on the icon here, and then it will bring me right here to my WordPress dashboard. Okay, so to locate my website, just go to my blog and then click on the visit site, and then over here you can see that the SSL certificate is here by simply clicking on this one. As you can see, view site information. What I have to do is just click on it, and then as you can see here, connection is secured. And when you click on the arrow here, the right arrow, you will see that the security is connection is secure, and then the certificate is valid. Okay, so this is how to get a free WordPress hosting with SSL. It comes automatically with SSL. Okay, so all that you have to do is that look in the video description. I'm having a link of it. Just click on it and then come here and then get your free subdomain with your control panel and your SSL certificate installed automatically for you. Okay, so just like the video, and then if you have any comments, if you have any questions, just leave it down in the comment section and I'm going to attend to it. And then see you in my next video.